Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to get us number for free. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Normally, when you watch most videos, they will tell that you should go to Play Store or App Store for all this unlimited testing SMS. You should use them. But there is one issue at times, is that most of them might require some fees, some credits, so that you be able to use this service to the max. But they are still quite good. It gives you a dedicated phone number. But today, I'll be showing you how to get this one for free. You won't have to pay anything. First of all, go to your web browser. I will tell a few sites from where you can get free US number. Now type receive SMS online. As you can see, SMS online, temporary phone numbers from 50 plus countries, such as USA, Canada, UK. Now, you need a US number. Just open this for example. Once you tap on open, here are messages that have been requested with this phone number provided to you. There have been people that are using this phone number. So you can just copy this number and proceed the action which you want to perform, or you can just tap on give me another number and it will provide you another number. Now let's move to our second site, which is anonymous SMS. As you can see, numbers of United States, you can tap and check it out. Check it out. Here are SMS that have been requested with this phone number, so now you can just tap on this SMS. You can read a phone number. Now you can copy this phone number and proceed with what you want to do. Once you're done, you can on update, latest SMS, so you can tap on try different number and they'll provide you another phone number. Now here comes our last site, that is free.com. Right now this website is not working. Once you just search on this site, you will see United States. They have 10 number for United States, 5 number for Canada. Now, when you see phone numbers, look at the amount of SMS which they have received. Then just tap on it. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.